Cryptocurrency is derived from two words crypto and currency, which simply refers to a digital form of money. It is decentralized, which means that there are no central authority overseeing its operations, unlike the paper currency where we have central banks of various countries overseeing the issuance, printing and distribution of their various countries' currencies. Crypto is projected to be the money for the future. The evolution of money is as follows. Commodity money. When we transact it as trade by barter. Metallic money. Paper money. Credit cards and electronic money. Today, the world is gradually moving to a cryptocurrency form of money. Cryptocurrency exists in two forms: Bitcoin and altcoin. Bitcoin is referred to as a virtual, digital currency. It is the first cryptocurrency to exist, and its transactions are recorded on the public blockchain for every party to track the transaction, thereby creating room for transparency among all parties. It is not controlled by any central bank, individual, or organization. One of its main aims is to eliminate the services of a third party during transactions by establishing a direct link and response system between parties to a transaction. Some of the use cases of Bitcoin include the establishment of a borderless means of sending money. With Bitcoin, users can send money to anybody living in any part of the world without necessarily needing an agent or third party to facilitate such money transfer. Bitcoin allows us to send and receive money anywhere around the globe without restrictions or limitations. Bitcoin also serves as a medium of exchange. It allows us to pay for goods and services using our Bitcoin. Bitcoin is like a central currency uniting the whole world. Altcoin is short for alternative and coin. It is a term used to refer to alternative coins other than Bitcoin. It is used to describe any type of cryptocurrency other than Bitcoin. There are over 1,000 altcoins, with Ethereum as the leading altcoin in terms of market capitalization. They are different kinds of altcoins, which include stable coin, example, USDT. Meme coin, example, Dogecoin. Exchange-based token, for example, BNB. Mining-based coins, for example, Litecoin. Utility tokens, for example, Filecoin.